If I were free, I'd let the street lights beam like fireflies that dance across my windshield and call down the rain. I'd hang my head away outside and open up my mouth so wide to taste the day that rose your toes and fears up from the grave.
Well, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and so happy that you're stopping by. It's that time again to do an unboxing of my bestyle box, and it's one of my favorite subscription boxes from the two orchids. Hello Karen, hello Lauren. Thank you so much for everything that you do on your channel. I will link their channel below. They are just two great women from Ohio who have an awesome YouTube channel, and I hope that you'll check that out, and I hope that you will be inspired to try one of these bestyle boxes. They come out seasonally, and I am just so excited to see what's in here. So let's get started. Whether that be fashion, makeup, decorations for the house, accessories. This is so, I got a winter, spring, summer, beautiful scarves and things for to keep warm and cozy. It had a cozy poncho, and the next one had leggings. Anyways, this is the summer July bestyle box. As always, the girls earrings. So let's check it out. First up, I pulled from the bottom is this nice little day planner, and this is a snapshot of my week, my goals, and this is like really awesome to put right on your desk, and there are a ton in here, and this is so cute. It's an awesome to-do list planner. So it gives you all your areas for your to-dos, your goals for the week. Cool. I love this. And a headband that is just super, super cute. Super cute. This is awesome for wearing your hair like I'm wearing it now. Right now you can see that I just have a little sort of jewel type headband on, but this is so pretty. It's got some shininess to it, and this is awesome if you go into the beach and you just want to pull your hair back out of your face. If you're wearing a ponytail, I think this is so cute. It feels soft. It feels very comfortable on your head. That doesn't squeeze. Oh, that's cute. That is very, very cute. And some earrings. All right, you gotta try these earrings on. And they're just, you know, I don't have my glasses on. Let me get my glasses. Oh, yeah, this is plenty big enough here. And it has a little jewel on it. So cute. Just really, really cute. think of those? I think they're adorable. Just so dainty and delicate and so cute. Awesome. Next up are these setting spray, all day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. I already have one that I bought because of one of Karen's vlogs, and I have an orange scent, and it is really, really wonderful to spritz on. Here we go. So one is cucumber, and one is green tea ginger. So these are to set your makeup, obviously, but they can be used as a refresher during the day. Nice and summery and fresh. Now I'm gonna shine like crazy for a few minutes till it dries. These are awesome. These will last a while too. And this is something really cute. What is this? The 2 Orchids Bubbly Sugar Scrub. Homemade bath. Directions: at the end of your bath or shower, scoop some sugar scrub with hands and massage on damp skin. Rinse. Can also be used as a hand soap. Look at this. This is something that they've done themselves. Congrats, girls. The 2 Orchids Bubbly Sugar Scrub. So I'm sure that it smells like lilacs to me. This smells wonderful. This smells great. It's got like it's a thick consistency, and yeah, it's got a nice scrub consistency. It leaves you looking shiny. I don't know if you can see that. And it's a light scent. It's not like a heavy perfumey scent. Hey girls, good for you. You have your own body scrub. Yep, going right into my shower. Thank you, girls. I can't wait to give this a shot tomorrow. And there's something else in here. Oh yeah, let me just wash this off because I don't want to get it on with the next item. I do remember Lauren talking about this in one of her vlogs. So this is a purse, and it is clear. I do love my little headband. It's so fun. It's like, I love getting surprises. I love getting things in the mail, and this is even better for me because they pick these items out themselves. And they're women who have been on YouTube for I don't know how long, several years, and they're like best girlfriends. They're just like regular girls. They're beautiful. They have great ideas. They have a great lifestyle channel, and I love just watching them and watching them together and seeing them laugh and seeing them try different things, and some things work and some things sometimes don't work when they're doing like cooking or crafts. And it's just so fun because I feel like they're just like me. And so to have them pick out items that they think we will love as much as they love them, you know, it adds to the excitement of getting the items every season. So again, this is going to be a little purse, and it's going to be clear, and it's going to have some bling to it. This is so cute. I love the size of it. And this is great to just take out with you or on a night out, going to dinner. We are going back out to dinner these days, albeit outside, but I don't mind al fresco. I don't know what we're gonna do in the colder months, but hopefully by then this coronavirus will be leaving us once and for all, so we can get back to our lives. But in any event, we still keep living and we still keep trying to move on. So a nice little long chain, look at that. And it's got the little clips. Oh, and it's got a cute little charmy thing on it. CD. Capri Designs, clearly fashion. Very, very cute. Can you see that? Cute little charm. And then it has the lobster claw clasps to put on to the little loops. So this is great. So you could obviously take the chain off if you just wanted to carry the little purse. I like having a crossbody bag, especially in summertime. I don't want to have to carry a bag around. You can see what's in there. You can clearly fit a lot in this bag. Definitely a wallet, definitely a phone, definitely your lipsticks, definitely your spritz to refresh during the night. Oh, this is just great. This is just really cute. I absolutely adore it. Well, this has been a really fun box. This has been a great inspirational. This will go right on my desk. This will be my daily planner rather than all day setting spray from Gerard. Beautiful summer, clean, fresh scents to freshen up my beautiful little purse that has enough bling to make it dressy but also casual for the summer. My beautiful headband, beautiful colors. It doesn't hurt a bit. It's so comfortable. My beautiful earrings. 2 Orchids bubbly body scrub, which I can't wait to use. Awesome. This is great, guys. Thank you, Karen and Lauren. Keep them coming. I'm so excited for you and for how you guys are doing with your bestyle box. Keep up the great work, girls. Love from Plymouth. Take care. Bye for now.
If I were free, I'd let the street lights beam like fireflies that dance across my windshield and call down the rain. I'd hang my head